Hi Cancer! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pero inyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Cancer, maraming salamat sa iyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for the month of August. For August. Cancer. The Lovers. Okay. May kailangan kayo pagdesisyonan, Cancer, most especially in your love relationship or romantic situation. Okay. Weigh your decisions carefully. Yeah, may importante kayong gagawin or desisyon about sa inyong partner or sa inyong person. Okay? Cancer, please. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Meron kayong pinag-iisipan. You need clarity and enlightenment sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon. Kailangan mo ng sagot sa inyong mga katanungan. You want fairness and justice. Okay? Magkakaroon kayo. Yeah, gawin mo kung ano yung nararapat para sa sarili mo for this month of August. Okay? Ayan. Alamin mo kung ano yung tama para sa sitwasyon mo, para sa sarili mo. Okay? Yeah, merong introspection na nangyayari sa inyo ngayon sa sitwasyon mo, sa status mo. Okay? Most especially when it comes to intimate situation or relationship. Yeah. Okay. You need to decide for yourself para makagain ka ng happiness. Okay? Do what is best for you. Okay? Kung ano makapagpapasaya sa'yo. Do it, pursue it. Make a decision, but you have to make sure that that is the right thing for you to do. Okay? Kung ano yung nararapat para sa inyo, kung anong magbibigay ng hustisya para sa inyo. Okay? Do what you think is right based on your situation. Okay? Yeah. Meron kang kakayahan. You are not powerless, Cancer. Okay? Meron kang kakayahan to decide for yourself. Walang kakulangan sa'yo. Okay? You can decide for yourself. Okay? Discover it. Discover. Seek enlightenment. Kung ano yung tama, kung ano yung para sa'yo. Okay? Do what is fair. Okay? Yeah. Indeed, you will be doing what is right for you. Para magkaroon ka ng emotional fulfillment. Okay? Spend time with your family. Okay? Spend time with your family. Believe in yourself. Okay? Tingnan natin. Cancer. For Cancer, please. The Lovers. Yeah. 9 of Wands. Yes. May gagawin kang desisyon dahil pagod ka na sa sitwasyon mo. You are stressed. Pagod ka na sa pakikipaglaban sa inyong nararamdaman, sa inyong lugar. Okay? Sa isang relationship. Yeah. Kailangan mo na mag-decide for yourself. To stay or to let go. Or to leave the situation. Cancer. Okay. Gawin mo kung anong nararapat. Based on integrity, okay? Your values. Kung ano yung tama, okay? Sa batas. Or sa mata ng majority, okay? Do what is right for you. Ano tong Hermit? Yeah, you've been hurt a lot, okay, in the situation. You're almost giving up. And that kailan mo mag-decide. You will be deciding, Cancer, para sa iyong kapakanan. Okay? Yeah. Nag-iisip ka kung makikipag-communicate ka pa ba sa person mo, okay? Makikipag-ayos. You're thinking about it. Meron pa bang pupuntahan ang sitwasyon ninyo, okay? That is the question for you. Cancer. Yeah. It seems na parang walang give and take, okay? So, you're being alone. Okay. Parang nag-iisa ka. So, sa pag-iisa mo, nag-iisip ka regarding sa sitwasyon mo. Kailangan mo ng kaliwanagan. Ang dami mong tanong. Cancer. Yes. Parang ikaw lang nagtatrabaho sa sitwasyon. Okay? And someone is controlling or parang sinusunod mo lang paano sinasabi ng tao or ng person mo sa inyo. Okay? So, you have a question sa ganyang sitwasyon. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, pagdating sa work, yes, parang hindi fair ang nangyayari sa inyo sa trabaho or sa negosyo mo man, if you are self-employed. Parang pagod ka na, pero parang walang resulta. So, nag-iisip ka ngayon kung itutuloy mo pa ba or hindi. Meron pa ba, ano pa ba yung best course of action na gagawin ko na pwede kong gawin? Kasi gusto mo maging tagumpay, gusto mo maging successful. Okay? By doing what is right. Tama ba to yung path ko ngayon for some of you? Nasa tamang trabaho ba ako ngayon or career or sitwasyon? Okay? Cancer. Yeah. Kung dati hindi ka gumagawa ng action, magkakaroon ng action sa situation mo. You will be taking action, Cancer, and now you will do what is right for you. Kaya nung nararapat. Okay? Magkakaroon na ng movement. For some of you, this person will be taking action, will travel, will move forward, okay? He or she will go towards you. Pero you are quite defensive. Tinitingnan mo pa, okay? Parang gagawin mo kung ano yung tama sa tingin mo. Kung ano yung tama sa tingin mo. Okay? You will do what is right for you. For some of you, may legal issues in the situation. Okay. Yeah. So, nag-iisip ka kung tama ba na magte-take ako ng action. Will I do the initiative or will I do the initiative para maka-move forward? Okay. So, yun yung question. Yun yung hinihingi mo ngayon, tinitingnan. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You have to choose kung anong path yung pupuntahan mo. Whether to stay or to go, or mag-change ka ng direction. Okay? Yeah. May times na you feel you are powerless, hindi mo magawa kung ano yung tamang gawin. Okay? Kung ano yung pipiliin mo, anong path ang lalakbayin mo. Okay? So, merong uncertainty towards you. You feel powerless to do it. The Hermit, again. So, think. Okay? Pag-isipan mo, you are spiritually guided, okay? To think para yung kapakanan mo. You think of your emotional fulfillment, okay? Nakakamit mo ba yung gusto mo sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, okay? Or even in the relationship, okay? You need to think about yourself, Cancer. Okay. Yeah. You are spiritually guided to do what is right for you. Okay? Take action. Okay, choose which path. Kung anong para sa'yo. Follow your intuition. Kung ano yung sinasabi ng inyong puso. Okay? Use your 5 senses. Okay? Do what is right or rightful para sa'yo. Okay? Do what is legal. Okay? That is for some of you. Cancer. Nahirapan kayo mag-decide, no? But then you will come to your own senses kung ano yung nararapat para sa'yo. And you are spiritually guided. Listen. Meditate. Okay? Your answers, you can get that from meditation or by meditation. Listen to yourself. Kung anong binubulong or sinasabi sa inyo. Okay? Ng divine. Okay? Divine. Think about your happiness, long-term happiness, kapanatagan ng puso. Okay? Think about that. Think about brighter days. Okay? You have to act. You have to do some action. Cancer. Yeah. Intimate relationship. For some of you, you've been waiting for the person, for this moment to happen. Nahirapan ka na, okay? But you are hurt. Okay. You are giving up. And you are thinking kung mag-give up ka ba or hindi dahil wala ring communication sa inyo, walang cooperation or yes. No? Okay. Parang hindi fair yung nangyayari sa situation mo. That's why nahihirapan ka. You need to move things forward. Hindi ka kailangan mag-dwell or malugmok sa isang sitwasyon, Cancer. Okay? Yeah, because you have the power to decide para sa sarili mo. Choose happiness. Choose kung ano yung makapagpasayo sa'yo long term. Okay? You are spiritually guided for this. Yeah. Okay. And magtiwala ka din sa sarili mo. Be confident. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ano pa yung mga messages for you? For Cancer, please. Oops. Yeah. Gagawin mo ang tama. Meron kang desisyon na gagawin. Okay? Sarili mong kapakanan for the long term. Kasi you are tired already and stressed. So, red flags. No? Yeah. You've been seeing red flags in your situation. Crib. Birth or conception of a child or enterprise. Okay. For some of you, you are birthing a business, birthing independence as well. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, yeah, merong conception. Okay. You are expecting, Cancer, expecting a child. Diamond, you will be receiving or giving a precious gift. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you will be receiving a gift from someone. Okay. Something valuable, something that will make you happy. A gift of time man yan, or attention, okay, or material things. Fire, strong emotion, passionate love or hate. Yeah, you are on fire. Naiinis ka. For some of you, you feel passionate towards a person, okay? Or you hate a person. So, balance your emotion, okay? 4-leaf clover, great good fortune, okay? Success when it comes to money, good fortune or fortune is on your side, Cancer. Hat, you will be playing a different role, okay? Depende sa sitwasyon, you will be flexible. Turkey, someone is behaving stupidly. Okay. Be aware of that. Someone is behaving stupidly or foolishly. Okay. You are aware of that. For Cancer, please, ano yung spirit message? For Cancer. Make it your mission to accept all parts of you, the good and what you perceive to be your imperfections. Don't look for any outside validation. It's already within you. Once you realize your true beauty and potential, you will never doubt yourself again. So don't doubt yourself. Cancer, remember you have the power to manifest kung anong gusto mong mangyari. Okay? So choose what is right, what is best for you. Manifest it. Okay? Realize that you have the beauty and the potential. Okay? You have, the potential, and you have the opportunity to attract positivity in your life. Okay? Don't doubt yourself. Believe in yourself. Be confident. Okay? So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa iyo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!